I've been getting so many questions on these earbuds, and honestly, they're pretty good, with the exception of one area. Hey guys, I'm finally doing the review for the Master & Dynamic MW08. And well, the company has actually done a pretty good job of improving on their already impressive MW07 and MW07 Plus. Before we get into the review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Let's talk design. There has been quite a bit of change to the design of both the case and the earbuds as compared to the MW07 Plus, which is nice. It kind of keeps things fresh, especially because Master & Dynamic kept the same design across the MW07 and MW07 Plus. The case is now taller and you get some angled lines running across lengthwise, which is a nice change to the mostly rounded MW07 case. There are a bunch of color options to choose from, including their iconic shiny stainless steel case, which I'm not a big fan of because it's a fingerprint magnet and scuffs really easily, as well as a new polished graphite case and the matte black case that I have here. Now, I'm a huge fan of this case. I think it looks really sleek, and the case actually feels incredibly solid and premium in the hand. Even the shiny MW07 case felt premium when I was testing it out the last time, so big plus to Master & Dynamic here because their products never feel cheap. Moving on to the earbuds, there are also a few color options here, but they are all kind of tied to a specific case. You get blue ceramic, black ceramic, which I have here, white ceramic, and brown ceramic. I can't speak for the others, but the black ceramic is actually a bit of a fingerprint magnet. It's not great, but Master & Dynamic has technically tried to alleviate this by sticking to physical buttons on the top of the earbud, so you technically have no reason to ever touch the faceplate. There's a single multi-function button on the right earbud that controls play pause, track skipping, as well as voice assistant and call acceptance. On the left, you get volume buttons that also toggle ANC on the volume down button, as well as ambient listening on or off on the volume up button. You'll want to download the Master & Dynamic Connect app so you get access to firmware updates and more. There's also the option to rename your earbuds, adjust the level of ANC or ambient listening, as well as toggle in-ear detection on or off. There's also an auto timer, so your earbuds will turn off automatically if there's nothing playing on them. These have Bluetooth 5.2, which is excellent. It seems like a lot of true wireless earbuds that are releasing in 2021 are actually coming with Bluetooth 5.2 instead of 5.0, which means that we should theoretically see, better sound quality and better battery life in upcoming earbuds. The MW08 also supports SBC, AAC, and aptX, but there's no multi-point connectivity here. I got asked to mention whether earbuds can be connected individually or if they're using a master-slave connection or Hero Sidekick connection, which a viewer suggested, and I really like. Hero Sidekick sounds so much better than master-slave, so thanks for that. Anyway, back to the point, these can be connected individually even if the other earbud is in the case and the case lid is closed. As for battery life, Master & Dynamic claims that you can get 12 hours of playback in the earbuds or around 10 hours with ANC turned on. I generally kept ANC at the max level with music playing at around 40% volume, and I typically got around 7 to 8 hours out of the earbuds. Now, that is a bit below the supposed battery life, so let's take the 42-hour total battery life with the charging case with a pinch of salt. There's no wireless charging here, but that's kind of to be expected because, the case is stainless steel. There's IPX5 water resistance here, which is actually slightly higher than a lot of earbuds out there. Do note that that's only for the earbuds and not the case. Moving on to ANC, you got a few options here: off, everyday ANC, and max ANC. Now, the ANC performance in these were actually kind of underwhelming for some reason. Perhaps I've been too spoiled by great ANC earbuds like the Sony WF-1000XM4, but I noticed car rumbling, snippets of music from the radio, and all that kind of stuff, even when I had max ANC turned on and music playing at 40% volume. That being said, it does help to reduce some background noise, just not to the level that I was expecting. There are 3 microphones in each earbud, which Master & Dynamic claims to have wind noise reduction and such. Call quality is okay. It's not too bad, but it doesn't completely get rid of background noise either. Sound quality though is pretty darn good. You get a slightly heavier emphasis on bass here as compared to the MW07 Plus, but as for the mids and highs, it's actually pretty neutral. Separation is good, and I get quite a bit of detail as well, more noticeable in complicated songs. Vocal layering is also very nicely done, and the soundstage is wide enough that you won't feel songs get overly cramped. For songs with a big emphasis on bass though, you might feel it get a bit overwhelming. Unfortunately, there's no EQ feature in the companion app, so there's no easy way of kind of tweaking the earbuds to your liking. Generally though, I would say the sound signature is pretty consumer friendly. All in all, it's a pretty good pair of earbuds. My only quibble would be the average ANC, but the sound quality does make up for it. At $299 US or 449 Singapore dollars, these are priced actually pretty similarly to the Diviale Gemini, and they do perform comparably, although of course the tuning is slightly different. Also, if you want something that looks mega premium, I would say that the stainless steel case feels and looks nicer to me than the Diviale's plastic case. So there's that. Anyway, those are my thoughts on the Master & Dynamic MW08. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to us and like this video. Till the next one, see you guys!